Prism Effect or Prism Filter. You can find it here on the filters, blur, and prism. So this one is quite easy to remember. Prism is similar to like an RGB split effect. So amount controls the total amount of blur, but it looks like total amount of the space between the colors. Here on our example, you can see that it's been split, or there's a separation, red, green, and blue. Angle, it controls like which angle the prism effect or blur. So if we drag this arrow, we can fully see that there's some blur or prism effect happening. Of course, you can keyframe the amount and angle of the prism effect. If you want to do some RGB split type, you can use this prism effect to achieve that kind of thing.